Blackbirds singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arrive. You were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to sing. Ba-do-do, ba-ba-do-dum-dum, ba-ba-da-da-do-dum, ba-ba-do-dum-dum, ba-ba-do-da-do. You were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these wings and learn to fly. You were only waiting for this moment to arrive. You were only waiting for this moment to arrive. You were only waiting for this moment to arrive, to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings, learn to fly. Don't you know that all your life you were only waiting for this moment to arrive? Yes, take these broken wings, take these broken wings and learn to fly. In the second city of the empire, Mother Glasgow watches over her wing, trying hard to feed her little starlings. Unconsciously she clips their little wings. Mother Glasgow's sucker is perpetual, nestling the billy in the Tim. I dreamt I took a dander with Saint Mungo to try and catch a fish that couldn't swim. Among the silent bells and flightless birdies, Father Glasgow knows his starlings well. He will make his own way up to heaven by marching all his charges into hell. Ah, Mother Glasgow's sucker is perpetual, nestling the billy in the Tim. I dreamt I took a dander with Saint Mungo to try to catch a fish that couldn't swim. And the tree, and the fish, and the bird, and the bell, let Glasgow flourish. Let Glasgow flourish. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-do-da-dum. Take these broken wings and learn to fly.